The toe end of my two front wheels was virgin on 3/8 of an inch. It's only supposed to be 1/16 to 5/16. So this is how you change it. You have to loosen the lower. This is the ball joint, and you have to take this nut off. Okay, the top nut here looks to be about a 13 and the bottom one about a 14. So I'm going to loosen that. Okay, I got the bottom nut off. You do have to hold this top one still. Okay. Now I'm going to have to loosen this jam nut. Okay, that was an 18, and so I got it so it's turning. Okay, I backed the jam nut off 9 full revolutions, and I'm going to do that on the other side too, just to see how even these are. And then somehow I gotta get this. This won't turn even though I've got loose, so I'm gonna have to try to get that to turn. Okay, that broke free fairly easily. It's just a 13 millimeter. Okay, I decided to take this all the way off. It was 8 revolutions and it came off, and this ball joint is real loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be. I'm just gonna try to put some grease in it. Okay, I got this right side loose, and I backed off the jam nut. It actually backed off another extra turn. Okay, this one came off in eight turns too, so they were on about the same. Must be just a little bit of difference on this thread there. Anyway, I greased up this ball joint too. It's real loose, but I packed some silicone grease down in. Okay, so instead of screwing them in 8 turns, I think I'll go to 7 turns and see what that does. It's hard to measure from rim to rim. But I made this little thing. This is from Saran wrap boxes. So they're the cutters. And I just put 2 together and taped them. And I taped them so that, can't see very good, but I taped them so that it was the exact length of the front edge here. So now I'm going to place it on the back edge and see what's left. Okay, they're the exact same now, and so maybe that's why they did what they did. They turned even turns in, because there's no half turns on this. So since I'm going to be making mostly left turns, I'm going to turn the ball joint in just one more turn on the right side, and that should make the mower turn left a little bit easier. Okay, I wanted to show you the new tie rods that came in. So here's the old one, which kind of shakes a little. And here's a new one. It doesn't shake, but it is still fairly loose. I was able to pull the boot off, and there doesn't seem to be any grease in there. So I'm going to pack that as best I can with silicone and then put the boot back on. Okay, so you see this one, the old one moves and the other one doesn't. Okay, I got the new tie rods tightened on. I still have quite a bit of play in my wheels, and I think it's underneath. If you see, I can move this wheel back and forth. This wheel moves back and forth, and that tie rod barely moves. So there's something underneath, and I saw what it was. It just has too much play in it, so I have to just let it go for now.